Welcome back. So yes, we were done with scene 2. Okay, and we did this. So let me quickly play. In this 2D animation and whiteboard course, I will take you through the process of creating a character. Okay, so we did that. So now we're going to go over again, continue scene, and then in that scene I'm going to get rid of David, but I'm sure that scene is going to be talking about David. So I'm going to tap on our present scene, click, right click, continue scene again. Okay, but this time I'm going to get rid of every element on this scene, and to do that all I have to do is just press down my left mouse click button and drag it across all, because I want to get everything out. Okay, as you can notice, we still have the girl in the scene, so I'm going to get rid of that also by clicking and deleting that. Okay, so now we have a plain scene. So let's once again listen to what this scene has to say. As you can see, this scene look like it started from where it is and ended just around a year. Okay, so let's hear what we have in that scene so that we'll have an idea what we want to put there. Which is myself and my friend Chili, and then I will show you how to use us in this introduction video you are watching right now. Okay, it says which is my friend, which is myself and my friend. Okay, so we're gonna do that now. I read. So I'm gonna bring in which is myself. So I'm gonna bring in myself into the scene, right? Remember it was on casual, so we want to go to folder and I'll just click on myself. Okay, and also Chili. Okay, they say which is myself and Chili. I'm going to make them both big. I'm going to make Chili also big. Okay, all right. So which is myself, and Chili will just follow in closely. Myself, Chili. So David is going to have the voiceover once more. Okay, sorry about that. So David is going to have the voiceover once more. So I'm going to click on the voiceover and I have to split it for me to be able to use it. Okay, so yes, once more I'm going to split it there, right click and split. Okay, so now I'm going to right click on that again and assign, go to settings and assign the voiceover to David. Okay, now you can see I have two heads here, but obviously it's David talking. Chili is just by his side, so I'm going to click on David. Okay, so David will be the one talking now. So I'm just going to do myself. Okay, I'm going to make him talk again. So I'm going to do actions. Okay. Let me see. Talking. Yeah, talking. So I'll make him talk again. I'll find him talking on different. Okay. I'll just find him talking on different scenes. Sorry about that. I'm trying to clear my throat. Okay. Let me apply this. Okay. So you can say which is myself and Chili. I want Chili will come in later on, so I'll just put in the text myself. So I'll just put in myself just in front of David there. Let me just do David. Okay. Let me just do David. All right. Once again, we'll have to change the color. White. Remember, I want to keep things consistent. Okay, and I want an entrance scene. It's going to be the handwriting. Okay, so we can do either the handwriting or the slide. I'll just do hand slide. Okay. Okay, let me do hand slide. So I'll just go back up and slide. Okay, so let me see. I want to move David from under upper. Okay, so now this will just say David. I'll turn it a bit. Okay, so now we have that. Okay, so I don't want to start just immediately. I want a little space. Okay, and now these characters, which is myself and Chili. So I want Chili to dance or stay happy. So enter effect. I'm gonna give her enter effect pop. Let me do the pop. Okay, pop with rings. Okay, so she's gonna enter after David text, and I also want her to dance. So action, we'll give her a dancing action. Dancing. Okay, don't worry. I know you're thinking I'm gonna make her go gaga and dance. To be honest, just a little dance. Okay, so we'll just apply that for her. Then I want to get a text on top of like I did with David. So I'm gonna copy the, go over again, go to text. All right, bring in the text, change the color to white. Okay, so now that we've changed the color to white, just want to click to A, to G, E. Okay, now this is Chili, and I'm going to get that to be just there. Okay, so just land Chili a bit, and now I'm going to give it an entrance scene. Okay, because okay, so do entrance scene. You can decide to do a sprinkle, a sparkle, whatever you want, or just want them to write on Chili. So I'll just go and click on the and. Okay, so now you can see it's appearing at the beginning. We don't want it to appear at the beginning. We have to shift it to just where He's dancing. Okay, like so. So now you can see we have David. All scenes are coming in just after each other, as you can see. So they are coming in after each other. So let's preview it so that we can see how those look so far. Which is myself and my friend Chili, and then I will show you how to use us in this introduction video you are watching right now. Okay, so just put learn to use all. As you can see, this is raw, this is not edited, this is me doing it as you watch it. Okay, so it says I'll show you how to use us. Okay, so it says I'll show you how to use us in this animation. Okay, so sorry about that. Sorry about that. I had to pause it for a while to clear my throat. So now I'll just show you how to use us. Okay, so I'll bring in one more character. Okay. I'll just bring in one more character. I can bring in David again. But let me use a different character. So I'll delete David. Just scroll and use a different character. Okay, use a casual character. All right. So this will come towards the end. Action. Okay, action. We want to be laptop. Let's see if we're gonna get a character. Okay. Okay, let's play this one and see. Okay, let's apply this. So you can see, so we have him just sitting there. Okay, I try and make him bigger. I'll try and make him bigger. Right? Try and make him bigger. And then I'll bring in a laptop to suit him typing. So let me go to props and laptop. Okay. Okay, so that it does not look like he's typing on the air. Just bring in a laptop. Okay. If you don't find a laptop, you can just use shapes. Just something you can put in front of his hand so that it blocks his hand out and looks like he's just typing something. Okay. Sorry. So just move it a little like that. Okay, so now it looks like it's typing something. And now I'm going to click on, but I'm going to select the two and group them. So select those two, then you right click and group. Okay, you want to group them together because you want them happening together. And then I'm going to do an entrance scene. Okay, I'm going to do an entrance scene for him now, and I'm just going to slide him in and slide. Right. Okay, so once I did that, once you do the slide effect, it gives you where you want it to be. So I want the group to appear just after Chili finished dancing and her name is being written. Okay, that's where I want these characters to come in. Okay, I want the character to come in. So now you see we have the character there. Okay, you can see character we want to have. So we have him there. So now we can preview it. So, but before I preview it, I want to add an extra arrow. So go back to props, okay, and just use arrow. Okay, let me just find. Okay, let me do. Okay, I think you'd find one good looking arrow. Okay, just scroll and find something you can use. Okay, so just bring in this one. Change the color. Okay, you can use the eyedropper tool. Just pick a color from either Chili's get. Okay, or this blue. You want the color to be in your scene, obviously. So we have that, so we can just click on that. And you can just move. So now that we have it highlighted, we don't want the arrow facing that direction, so we can click on these three dots. Okay, and flip. Okay, so you can just flip to the other side like that. Okay. Okay, so now we want to have an enter effect, and the enter effect will come just after after the man typing, so we can just move that. This wrap. Okay, so now we want that effect to come after or during. Okay, just somewhere here. Make that smaller. Just move it so. Okay, and move it up. Okay, so now it just looks like the arrow is pointing towards him. And now if we go over to preview it, we should have something like this. Let's see. Which is myself and my friend Chili, and then I will show you how to use us in this introduction video you are watching right now. Which is myself and my friend Chili, and then I will show you how to use us in this introduction video you are watching right now. So you can see how that looks. This scene was quite easy. Yes, it looks like it's taking a lot of time, but quite easy, not complicated at all. So we'll go over and move on to the next scene. I'll see you on that one.